Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of Jacobian matrix. So let us see two important properties of Jacobian matrix. Let us see the first property. If J1 is the Jacobian matrix u comma v with respect to x comma y and J2 is the Jacobian matrix of with x y respect to comma v, then we can write J1 into J2 equal to 1. Otherwise, we can say that dou u comma v by dou x comma y by u comma v, that is equal to 1. Okay, let us see the second property. If u and v are functions of s, where r and s are functions of x comma y, then we can write dou u comma v by dou r comma s into dou r comma s by dou x comma y. So this term are getting cancelled. We get only dou u comma v by dou x comma y. So these two properties are important properties of Jacobian matrix. I hope you are enjoying the session.